Pretirement. The neologism pretirement describes the emergence of a new working state, positioned between the traditional states of employment and retirement. The word is a portmanteau word, coming from the prefix pre and the word retirement. The state is being found primarily in first world economies, with aging populations. A pretiree will continue to create economic wealth and/or contribute to the generation of knowledge by research, likely on a part-time or reduced hours basis. Some pretirees use the period to give back by providing unpaid social support. This form of unpaid work creates economic benefit, by allowing taxes to be focused on other wealth-creating or protecting activities, but relies on the existence of sufficient financial resource. Research. The emergence of a new blend of work and retirement was established in consumer intelligence research in December 2014. Here are key findings from the research published in a report by Zopa, 2014. The concept appears to be similar to semi-retirement, but the term indicates a half-retirement form, without indicating the gradual shift towards a fully retired end state or the non-existence of retirement. One position that may be extrapolated from the research is that a growing number of individuals hope to be healthy enough to get pretirement until they die. Causes and effects. While the research shows that a number of individuals chose to shift to this state, it also shows the existence of enforced pretirement, individuals a pension that will support their living costs. Further research will be needed to establish the different types of pretirement states, and their root causes. The use of the term retirement to encompass pretirement would hide this emerging state. Effects of different forms of work-retirement balance have not yet been fully researched. Early findings show that an abrupt shift from full-time work to full-time retirement can cause depression and other negative health effects. Consideration of the positive benefits of pretirement are likely to be accelerated as the impact of the aging population starts to take deeper effect. Usage. First found in a blog by the Martian Observer, 2010, the blog's use of the neologism matches the term described in the Zopa report. First used in a book titled by Chris Miller, 2012, though her usage describes planning for retirement, rather than an emerging state of employment. The ACA's website referred the important shift in retirement norms observed in the Zopa report. Many people are choosing to ease into retirement in a phased or gradual process. Use of the neologism in news publications peaked after the publication of the Zopa report. Usage has been heard on the Radio 4 Today program March 2015. Esther Rantzen used the term when discussing the Silver Line.